Hey everybody, so I have my whiteboard, I have my marker, and I'm going to be working on some problems that we've definitely seen before. This takes us way back. So, this is a quick review. It's supposed to feel like a review for you. So hopefully you'll recognize these from, last week, last chapter, last year. Here we go. All right, these are two related facts, okay? So we have 6 plus something equals 14, and then we have 8 plus something equals 14. So if I start thinking about this number bond, this 14, and I break it into two pieces, and one piece is a 6, and the other piece is an... Wait a second. I don't have to use my number line to do this problem. If I know 6 plus 8 is 14, I know 8 plus 6 is 14. And I know the related subtraction facts too. 14 take away the 6 part will leave me 8. And 14 take away the 8 part would leave me 6. So 6 plus what equals 14? Gotta be 8. And then over here, same thing. 6 plus 8 equals 14. So that related fact, right, is one way to solve those problems. You could have tried some different numbers in there too, right? You could have said 6 plus 10 equals 16. That's too big. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. 6 plus 9 is 15. That's still too big. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. 6 plus 8 worked just fine. So you can test, guess, and test. That's fine too. But if you know the related fact that'll help you solve those, it's way faster to use it. See if we can't figure out what the related fact is here. Something plus 9, so 9 plus something equals 17. And then over here, it's something plus 8 equals 17. 17, when you break it apart, we get a 9. And the other part is that 8. 9 plus something must equal 17. The only something that's going to work in there is an 8. You can try other somethings, but they'll be a little bit too big or a little bit too small, and you'll land eventually on that 8. Then you can use that same related fact. What plus 8 equals 17? It's got to be 9. What's missing, right? That's kind of you. So I have the 8. I have the 17. I'm missing the 9. The 9 part is missing. Using related facts to solve these problems goes way faster, right? There's another way to do it, but I think related facts is the way to do those sorts of facts or problems. All right, let's talk about movie collections here. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of real estate. I'm going to scoot these up a little closer. All of these story or real life problems can be told as part whole or bar models, right? So I'm going to be using a bar model, so I need a little bit of room to kind of show as I read, as I get information, where the numbers go and how they relate to each other. My friend Avery has 7 DVDs. There's Avery. Logan has 4 more DVDs than Avery does. So actually, Logan has all the same DVDs as my friend Avery, see? But 4 more. So that is going to be bigger than hers by 4. That part here, the more part, we know. This part here, Avery's part, we know. What we don't know is Logan's part. We don't know this whole thing. We know that it's bigger than 7. It has to be a big number, right? So do you think I subtract the two numbers to get the whole thing? Or do I add the two parts up to get the whole thing? Well, adding usually gets me a bigger number, right? And it makes sense that when I go 11 plus 4, I gave it away. When I go 7 plus 4, I get 11 right here. 11 DVDs. That's a lot of movies. I don't even know what I was doing there. Let's try this again. DVDs. Do people even have DVDs anymore? That's my real question. Thanks, everybody. Next slide.